Why is it wise to take health insurance before the age of 30? Imagine a young boy thinking of buying a new phone with his first salary. The family is happy his career has begun, and life still feels very long. Just then a medical emergency strikes, and within a few hours, his bank balance starts emptying. Standing at the hospital reception, he realizes for the first time that illness doesn't come looking at your age. The doctor is explaining the treatment, the family is worried about the payment, and he is thinking that he wished he had taken health insurance earlier. The fear is that at a young age we consider ourselves so healthy that we treat hospital bills as a problem of the future. But the curiosity is, if taking a policy before 30 can get you a lower premium, faster coverage and longer protection, then why the delay? In today's time, health insurance has become not a luxury, but a basic necessity of financial planning. Medical costs are rising rapidly, and one major illness can wipe out years of savings in a few days. Young people often feel that health insurance is for parents or married people. But the truth is that taking a policy at the start of your career can often be the smartest financial decision. Before 30, the body is generally healthier. That is why insurers view young applicants in a comparatively lower risk profile. For this reason, the premium can be lower. A lower premium doesn't just mean saving money today. It also means that you start long-term protection at an early age, when you have fewer liabilities. If you delay taking a policy, the premium can increase with age. Along with this, if health conditions appear, coverage can become expensive or complicated. Taking a policy at a young age is also better, because your health record is usually clean. If there is no diabetes, BP, thyroid, heart issues or surgery history, then underwriting can be easy. Many insurers keep the requirement for pre-policy medical checkups lower for young and healthy applicants. This makes the process of buying a policy simple, fast and convenient. But this does not mean that you should buy any policy without reading it. Taking a policy online is easy, but understanding the terms is more important than that. There is a waiting period in health insurance. Some diseases, some treatments and pre-existing conditions are not covered immediately. Therefore, the benefit of taking a policy early is that the waiting period can be completed sooner. After 𝐼RDAI rules, the maximum limit for the pre-existing disease waiting period is up to 36 months. That is, if the policy starts early, the coverage maturity will come sooner in the future. If a person takes a policy at the age of 25 and stays healthy, then by 30, their coverage history can be strong. On the other hand, someone taking a policy for the first time at the age of 35 may have to face many waiting conditions. This is the hidden advantage that young people ignore. A policy is bought, not just for today's illness, but for the uncertainty of the coming years. Today's sedentary lifestyle has changed the age pattern of diseases. Desk jobs, working late at night, junk food, stress and low physical activity are putting young people at health risk too. Diseases that were once considered middle-age problems are now starting to appear in young professionals as well. This is the reason why delaying health insurance does not seem practical. As soon as a career starts, income comes in, but expenses also increase. Money goes into rent, EMIs, travel, gadgets and lifestyle. Health insurance often gets left behind in this crowd of expenses. But in an emergency, it is not lifestyle expenses that come first, but medical bills. At that time, depending on credit card limits, personal loans and family help, can be very painful. Health insurance works to save you from the shock of hospital bills. It does not prevent illness, but it helps in managing the financial impact of the illness. If you are an earning member of the house, your health is not just your personal matter. Your illness can also affect the financial stability of your parents, spouse or siblings. Many young people support their parents. If they get hit with their own medical bills, the entire family budget can be disturbed. Insurance can reduce this risk. Depending completely on employer health insurance can also be a mistake. A company policy is linked to your job, not to your life. Employer coverage can end due to a job change, layoff, business shift, or career break. Personal health insurance acts as a safety net during this gap. The sum insured of a company cover is also often limited. Seeing the room rent, surgery costs, and ICU charges in big hospitals, this limit can seem small. Taking an individual policy at an early age builds your independent insurance history. This can be useful for future portability and coverage continuity. In health insurance, you can also get features like no-claim bonus or cumulative bonus. If you do not make a claim, then according to the policy terms, the coverage benefit can increase. Since the claim probability is low at a young age, this bonus can gradually strengthen your protection. Therefore, taking a policy early is not just about premium saving but also coverage building. Now let's talk about tax benefits. You can get a deduction on health insurance premium under Section 80D, but this benefit depends on the tax regime and eligibility. In the old tax regime, deduction can be claimed on eligible premiums. There is a separate limit for self, spouse and dependent children, and additional benefits can be availed for parents. But tax saving should not be made the main reason for buying a policy. Tax benefit is an extra advantage. The real benefit is financial protection during a medical emergency. While taking a policy, the sum insured should be chosen very thoughtfully. Just taking the cheapest policy can create problems later, because hospitalization costs vary greatly depending on the city and hospital. Treatment costs in metro cities can be higher than in small cities. Therefore, while choosing coverage, you should keep in mind your city, family medical history, and hospital preference. A young single person can take an individual policy. A married couple can look at a family floater. But adding parents to the same floater is not always ideal. Parents are older, so the probability of their claims can also be higher. Many times, a separate senior citizen policy or a different cover for parents can be better. Top-up and super top-up plans can also be useful. These give extra protection over the base policy, especially when a big medical bill arrives. But while taking a top-up, it is important to understand the deductible. Deductible is the amount above which the claim activates. Ignoring this detail can cause confusion at the time of claim. You should also look at the cashless hospital network while choosing a policy. It is very important to check whether the good hospitals in your city are in the policy network or not. In the cashless facility, the insurer can pay the approved amount directly to the hospital. This can reduce the pressure on the family to arrange a large payment immediately in an emergency. But cashless does not mean that every expense will be covered automatically. Consumables, non-medical items, exclusions and policy sublimits can be different. The room rent limit should also be read carefully. If there is a room rent cap in the policy and you take an expensive room, then a proportionate deduction can be applied. Also understand the co-payment clause. Co-pay means you will have to pay a portion of the claim from your own pocket. Such a condition can be hidden in a cheap policy. Disease-wise sublimit can also become a problem. In some policies, there can be a fixed cap on cataract, hernia, or specific treatments. Therefore, read not just the policy brochure but also the wordings. Pre-existing disease disclosure is the most important step. Hiding any old illness, regular medicine, or doctor's advice can become a reason for claim rejection. Young people think that there is no need to tell small things. But in insurance, the honesty of the proposal form becomes the biggest protection for a future claim. While taking health insurance, one must read the customer information sheet. Key details of the policy are given in it in a simple format, so that the policyholder can understand major conditions. Paying the premium is the first step to starting the policy, but renewal is equally important. If the premium is missed for 1 year, it can affect continuity and waiting period benefits. Taking a policy early means that you build discipline early too. Renewing every year becomes a financial habit. If you get married or have children in the future, the existing policy can be upgraded. Options like add-ons, higher cover, and family floater can be used with planning. One must also understand maternity benefits. In many policies, maternity coverage is available only after a waiting period. Therefore, insurance planning before family planning can be useful. This detail is especially important for young women and couples. The assumption that you will get a maternity claim immediately after taking a policy can be wrong. Health insurance is no longer limited to just hospitalization. Many plans can have facilities like daycare procedures, ambulance, and pre- and post-hospitalization expenses. But every facility is not the same in every plan. Therefore, comparison should not be made just on the premium but on the coverage quality. Today, buying a digital policy is easy, but one should not put blind trust in an agent or website's words. The final truth is written in the policy document. The claim process should be understood beforehand. The family should know which number to call in an emergency, how cashless approval will happen, and what reimbursement documents will be required. If the policy just lies in your file and the family doesn't know about it, its benefit can be delayed in an emergency. Therefore, share policy details with a trusted family member. Having health insurance does not mean that health should be ignored. Insurance can manage the bill, but you have to bear the pain of illness and life disruption yourself. Proper sleep, food, exercise, and regular checkups come even before insurance. Insurance is protection, lifestyle is prevention. The biggest challenge for young professionals is procrastination. They say, I am young right now, I will look at it later. But insurance is always cheaper and easier when you do not need it. When illness arrives, the insurer's terms can be different. The premium can increase, a waiting period can be applied, or some exclusions can come. Meaning, health insurance should not be like looking for an umbrella after it starts raining. An umbrella has to be bought on a sunny day, only then does it work in the rain. The benefit of taking a policy before 30 is that you secure the future at an early stage. At that time, income may be small, but the risk is also low. Taking a big financial protection by paying a small premium is the most underrated planning of youth. This is not an investment, it is risk management. Investment is for growing money. Insurance is for saving money. The role of both is different, so health insurance should not be viewed like a return product. If someone says that if a claim doesn't happen after paying the premium, then the money is wasted, they don't understand the purpose of insurance. Not having a claim is actually a good thing, because it means you stayed healthy. The real value of health insurance is known on the day of the claim. When the hospital bill is in front, and the policy supports you, then the meaning of the premium is understood. While taking a policy, definitely compare, but don't delay too much. Searching for a perfect policy and not starting protection at all is also a mistake. Starting with a decent cover and upgrading later is often better. It is better to start the right basic protection early than not starting at all.
This video has taught you something new, or if you feel this information should reach more people, don't forget to like and share the video. Your small share can become valuable and useful information for someone else. If you have any questions related to this topic, or if you would like to share your opinion with us, be sure to write in the comment box. We read every question and suggestion from you, because your feedback inspires us to create better content. And if you want to keep receiving such interesting and reliable information about business, the economy, and the world in the future, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel GRT Business and also press the bell icon so that you get notifications of every new video directly. At GRT Business, we always strive to provide you with accurate, balanced, and reliable information. Our news and analysis are prepared based on information obtained from various news agencies, public sources, and public opinion. We make every effort to verify and validate each fact as much as possible, but in case of any possible error or dispute, the responsibility lies with the respective sources. Our only aim is to present you with a correct and trustworthy perspective so that you can understand any topic better.